Modifiers allow us to control or modify the behavior of a function. So we can use modifiers in many different scenarios. So let's take a look at the example over here. So over here we see we have a contract called test. Now test takes the variable test address. We set that to an address. We set that to the type of being an address. We create a constructor. And in our constructor, we want our test address to equal the person who is calling the contract. That's the message.sender. Now we can actually add a modifier to our constructor function. And this modifier can ensure that the person who actually can require that only the owner can do the following if the message.sender is equal to the test address. And if that is true, then we use this under case to continue moving along with the function. Otherwise, we cancel the operation. So this is a requirement modifier. And we're going to actually be writing several of these out throughout the course. So you're going to get the hang of it to practice with this and do some exercises. But essentially, now that we have the modifier function, we can actually run this function test, right? Which is we can create a function called test, and we can ensure that test works, and we can modify this function test by including our modifier, only owner. So function test will work only if the message sender is equal to the test address. Now, if this doesn't make sense, again, don't worry. We're actually coming up in a couple videos. We're going to be writing modifiers together, so it'll become more clear as we write them out.